Hey folks, welcome to CryptoReality. Please be advised that I'm not a financial advisor and everything I'm gonna say here is based on the charts. This is for educational purposes only. I wanted you and I to be prepared for the possible scenarios. I'm not trying to tell you to buy or sell anything in here, just charts. Okay, now let's dive in. As you can see here, this is your XRP US dollar daily time frame. Seeing a nice bounce after hitting the price floor. Look at this, something in here from this low before the pump on your November 2024, drawing some trend line here, and it creates some support area there. Also, I was just thinking, look at this chart right here. Look at your US dollar dominance here. Okay, we have finally broken this green line support area here. Okay, and this thing is nice. Okay, let's disregard those EMAs right there. Okay, as you can see here, we have multiple touches here. Okay, multiple touches here. And now we break this one. The only thing here is that I want us to close here today, okay, for the confirmation. Okay, and going back to your EMAs, look at this. I'm expecting it to go as low as this one. Okay, right, it's going to go down here. Okay, this will create some good impact into your cryptocurrency. Okay, like we're dealing it to this way. So, but I'm not saying that we're going to do new all-time highs or new parabolic phase. Maybe just a relief rally before continuation to the downside. Okay, that's what I am seeing here. Looking at your Bitcoin here. Okay, maybe I'm gonna adjust this one, okay, to this one. Yeah, there. Okay, I'm gonna extend that. So if that really happens to US dollar dominance, expect Bitcoin to be in this region area before going to the downside. Sell bull trap in here. Okay, but the bullish case scenario is that we go back in track. Okay, if your Bitcoin will move like this one, then we can expect some new all-time highs. And still my target is 157,000 US dollar, right? This one. Okay, somewhere around there. I'm gonna explain that if things plays as we want it to be. But right now, let's gonna focus on the first targets here. This 104,000. Alright. For XRP. This 2.9 region area. Right here. How am I saying that we're going to this 2.9 area right here? Just going back to your US dollar dominance here. Okay, looking at this one, I'm gonna remove this. Okay, it looks like, okay, this one looks like this one. Okay, I'm gonna color this green so all of you can see. Okay, let's just focus on this one. Okay, what we did is after breaking this support trend line here, we go down to your 200 EMA, got supported, and then go up again. So I won't be surprised if this current phase of US dollar dominance will do the same. Okay, maybe we can come back down here and then consolidate and then pump again. So don't get hype because we're seeing a nice pump. Okay, because this 200 EMA right here has a nice support. The previous resistance. Alright, resistance in here and somewhere around here. So now that could be a nice support for this US dollar dominance here. So what I'm expecting is this one. Look at this. We drop here. Looking back here, what the 18 year it is, March 2022. Okay, it dropped almost like 27%, right? And right now we're going to have some 20% drop right there. Okay, and what it did to XRP, let's find that March 2022. Okay, and this one, look at that's March 2022, right? So to this low we made a 68% to the upside, right? So now I want you to focus on this one. This is gonna be your bottom, or maybe this one, either of the two. Let's measure that. Okay, if we are going to this low, we're gonna measure some 68%. Okay, there you go, 68 to 69%. That could lead you to your 2.64 US dollars, right? So let's gonna put some trend line there. Okay, around this region area here, color this one. Okay, so if we're gonna measure now that this is gonna be your low and looking for 68% around this one. Okay, yep, there you go, 68%. That could lead us to your $3 mark. Okay, it could be $3 mark again, or your 2.9 area, because we have a lot of price actions in here, right? Because we have this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, compared to this level area here. Okay, that's your level to watch. Okay, we can also have that one. Okay, there. Now pick your areas here, 2.68 to $3 for XRP. Okay, and don't forget that I am mentioning this one, that XRP always wanted to create some crown in here. Alright, look at this pattern here. It looks like the bigger picture of this one. Okay, look at this one, right? It's just like we're gonna create this crown here, right? I hope you are with me on this one. Okay, so if the current move is that, then we can expect some continuation right here at 0.64 level area. That's what my idea here for XRP, right? It doesn't matter where it goes, but all we know is it's going to go up. But eventually the bullish case is that we break this, we go on to this one, and hopefully we break this one. So expect some $5 mark. But right now let's just focus on this area right here. I don't want to hype anyone here. I just want to stay on the market side where it goes, right? So that's my idea here for XRP. Looking for your Bitcoin, I already told you that, 104,000. Okay, now let's, oops, I'm sorry for that. Let's take a look at SUI, US dollar here. As you can see here, a nice, I don't know what's called this one, descending triangle. Maybe this one is a nice bounce here. Looking at the chart here, creating this nice double bottom here. Alright, there's a nice double bottom here. Maybe we could continue to go up the past couple of days. And eventually, I hope we won't get rejected in those resistance, because we have a lot of resistance in here. Okay, we have this resistance here. Yeah, first resistance. Okay, if we're gonna pass that, maybe this one is your double bottom. Okay, maybe that's gonna be it. This is for your SUI. Okay, and of course the bullish target here is 3.27, as it aligns with this resistance right here. Okay, and for parabolic phase, if the things go well and crypto will pump hard like the precious metals, then we have to expect some $7.9 for SUI token. Simple, nice chart. I don't know if it's gonna play out. Okay, but please remember that put the money that you can afford to lose. Don't put all your savings in there. It's your own money, it's your own risk. Don't just listen to me. Don't listen to other people that's saying you everything, or hyping you, or giving you fear. Please get yourself healthy, strong, focused. Okay, God bless and bye bye. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for me. Thanks guys, bye bye.